everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make namak para. Namak para is a snack that is usually served with tea, and this is quite crispy and it is savory as well, and it is very quick to make. So let's see how it is made. Let us take a bowl. To it we will be adding about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of semolina or rava, salt as per the taste. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix it well. You can use a whisk to mix it, but later on anyway we have to use the hands to knead it into a dough. These are some carrom seeds. Carrom seeds or ajwine as it is called in Hindi. Add some carrom seeds. You can add about half a teaspoon of carrom seeds. I have added about you can add up to 1 teaspoon of carrom seeds. I've added about half a teaspoon. Carrom seeds are usually good for our body. So I am using the measuring cup here to knead the dough, just pouring little by little water and knead it into a dough. I will try to make it very quick because the sun is setting here. Then let's make it nice. Dough is ready. Let's keep it aside. Now take a flat surface and take some all-purpose flour, dust it over it, and we will flatten it. Make small balls out of it. So I am going to take a portion of ball like this, make it into a nice round shape. Take the dough and take the flour and dip the dough in it. Just coat it well. Keep it on the surface and flatten it with the help of a rolling pin. Take away the excess dough. We just need this much. That's it. Leave a little thickness on the side. About this much thickness should be fine. Okay, now we are going to take a fork and prick on this so that just gently prick everywhere. Now we have pricked it with a fork in shape like so. Not straight, a little slant that gives us a diamond shape. If we look carefully, we get a lovely diamond shape. Now we will go ahead and fry them. Make sure to separate them. Now take a heavy bottom pan. Into it add some oil for deep frying. Okay, now our oil has become hot. Let us see if it is hot enough to deep fry. For that I am going to take a nice dough. Just going to test a little. You can see it has come up very nicely. That means our oil is ready for deep frying. Let us go ahead and add our namak para into it. Our namak para into it. The oil. And deep fry them. We need to deep fry till it becomes nice golden brown in color. You can see the color has changed. It is a very nice time to reduce the flame and fry the other side as well. And once it is fried the other side, we will take it out. Take it out. It has nicely become nice golden brown in color. So I have here, I have lined my vessel with some tissue paper. I'm going to put it inside the tissue paper. Just take it out with the frying spoon and I'm going to place it on the top here. There we go. Our delicious namak para is now ready. Let's take it out and taste it. So it is very quite crispy and delicious. Yum! Please do give it a try. It's very nice. Delicious namak para is now ready to be served with a hot cup of tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Hope you will give it a try and do let me know how it came out. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. You have a wonderful day. Bye.